What are Arctic oil rigs? If you have ever wondered what Arctic oil rigs are and how they fit into the communities and infrastructure of polar regions, you are in for an informative journey. Arctic oil rigs are specialized platforms built to extract oil and natural gas from beneath the seabed in the Arctic. These rigs are designed to withstand extreme cold, icy waters, and harsh weather conditions that are common in polar environments. Typically, an Arctic oil rig consists of a large structural platform that supports drilling and production equipment. It also includes living quarters for personnel and various safety systems. The design of these rigs often features a conical or cylindrical base that rises above the waterline. This design helps to break and deflect moving sea ice, which can cause damage to the upper sections where drilling occurs. The structure of an Arctic oil rig must be robust enough to handle ice loads, waves, and sometimes seismic activity. Engineers distribute these forces across multiple bulkheads and flexible beams to prevent concentrated stress points. There are different types of rigs used in Arctic waters. Fixed platforms are anchored to the seabed in shallower areas, while floating rigs are used in deeper waters. Fixed platforms can be constructed on steel or concrete legs or caissons. These may be reinforced with gravel or materials that resist ice to handle landfast ice conditions. Floating rigs, such as semi-submersibles or drill ships, are designed for deeper waters where ice flows are present year-round. These floating rigs must be self-sufficient, carrying extra fuel, drilling mud, cement, and well control equipment due to the remote nature of Arctic operations. The drilling seasons in the Arctic can vary significantly. Nearshore areas may have two distinct seasons, open water in summer and stable landfast ice in winter. In contrast, deeper offshore areas typically allow drilling only during the summer open water period because of the moving multi-year ice. Safety features like blowout preventers and reinforced structural elements are essential to prevent accidents and spills in this delicate environment. Examples of Arctic oil rigs include the Pacific Berkut in the Russian Arctic, which is engineered to endure massive waves and collisions with thick ice. Another notable example is the Hibernia platform in the North Atlantic, which uses a protective steel structure to shield it from icebergs. From the perspective of polar regions, Arctic oil rigs representing significant infrastructure that enables resource extraction. However, they also pose challenges for the environment and local communities. The operation of these rigs requires careful planning to minimize impacts on the fragile Arctic ecosystem and the indigenous communities that relying on the region's natural balance. Balancing economic interests with the preservation of polar environments is essential for the safety of those living and working in these remote areas.